Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a West End Oasis for sale, a 8-bedroom home with income potential, just steps from Rick's Cafe. This spacious 8-bedroom, 7-bathroom home in the heart of Negril's vibrant West End offers the perfect blend of investment opportunity and island living. Boasting approximately 5,000 square feet of living space, this property is ideal for those seeking a lucrative income stream or a spacious haven for personal enjoyment. Features include a prime location with just a short stroll from iconic landmarks like Rick's Cafe and Ivan's Catch a Falling Star. You'll be immersed in the best of Negril's entertainment and dining scene. It has income potential with a separate 1-bedroom self contained apartment, which provides an excellent opportunity for generating rental income. Make this property a smart investment. The land area is approximately quarter acre. Call today to book an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
can run, but you can't hide. Can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. Can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $411.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.